If the bathroom lavatory is draining slowly or sending water back into the sink, you might have a clog in the line. Soap, toothpaste, hair, and grease build up until they form a solid plug. When that happens, no chemical product will fix it. The best solution is hydrojetting. Contact us. We are the right experts to solve that for you. Hydrojetting is efficient for most situations. Lavatory drains are small and collect some of the toughest buildup in a home. Toothpaste hardens like cement. Hair traps soap and grease. We can show a video on our tablet so you can understand the hydrojetting process before we begin. Our nozzles come in different sizes for different situations and are designed to cut through hair bundles, break down hardened toothpaste, and peel the soap film off the pipe walls, restoring the original diameter of the line. We make sure to remove the excess water before we start. We insert our nozzle into the line to access the clog. Then we start the high-pressure equipment. The water jet travels through the entire pipe, removing buildup, scraping the internal walls, and pushing all debris toward the discharge point. Once the line is fully jetted, the lavatory returns to its normal flow and the pipe stays cleaner for a longer time. Hydrojetting restores the line without damaging the plumbing and helps prevent future backups. Contact us today for professional hydrojetting services.